friends, I'm Pooja Sharma, the Business Development Manager at 1000 Words Production. Today I'll be telling you about the latest ad campaign by Oreo. The campaign is called the #Oreo Recipe. The objective of this campaign is to encourage more people to use Oreo cookies as a staple ingredient for baking. People who want to participate just have to create something delicious using Oreo cookies and click a picture to send as their entry. Through this campaign, viewers can win a really amazing prize and also get their recipe featured in a special cooking show. The Associate Director of Marketing Biscuits at Mondelez India, Mr. Sudhanshu Nagpal, said about the campaign, as lockdown extended, we saw people finding themselves having fun in the kitchen as a way to break daily monotony. This led to a rise in the number of mentions for Oreo, and users started sharing their recipes and love for the brand organically. We saw this as an opportunity to do something exciting for them, while strengthening our philosophy of enabling playful connections. #Oreo Recipe, conceptualized by the team, was a great way to create an engaging platform that not just helped make Oreo synonymous with desserts, but also celebrated people's growing creativity in the kitchen, while creating content that was fun even for non-bakers. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another informative video soon. Until then, stay safe and keep watching.